Hey there. Ah! Well, that happened. But I'm here to tell you you got into a camp. Wait, so you're telling me I got in? Yes, and I have your first challenge for you. Okay, what do I do? Well, I have a piece of paper for you, and that has the challenge on it. Just dress up and go cheating. Okay, what do I do? And he's gone. Well, I do have some like with cosplay outfits. I can use those. Okay, I guess I got my costume and time to go trick-or-treating. Uh, Trick-or-treat. Or what kind? It's Halloween and I'm trick-or-treating. Oh yeah, I don't have any candy. I finished. What in the hell happened? Just give me my win.